Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are checking out PlainApp, a free open-source Android app that turns your smartphone into a self-hosted management hub. You can easily access it from any web browser on the same network. There are no accounts, no cloud services, and no subscriptions to worry about. Whether you need to transfer files, read your SMS messages, browse your photos, or mirror your screen, PlainApp puts full control completely back in your hands. Best of all, it keeps your data 100% local. Most phone management tools out there route your private data through third-party servers or plague your screen with ads. PlainApp is different. It is entirely open source, so your privacy is guaranteed. Right now, I'm navigating through my file manager to locate the PlainApp APK file. You can see it right here. Because it is an open source project, you have the total freedom to audit the code yourself, but grabbing this APK is definitely the fastest way to get started. Let us go ahead and tap on the APK file to install it. It takes just a few seconds to process, and we're completely ready to go. Now, to use PlainApp, you do not need to install any extra software on your computer. You just open a modern web browser on any desktop, laptop, or tablet on the same Wi-Fi network. I'm opening the app on my main device, which displays a QR code. Now, I'll just grab my other phone, scan that QR code, and instantly access the secure web dashboard. Every connection is end-to-end encrypted using TLS and XChaCha20-Poly1305, meaning nobody else can intercept your traffic. This dashboard gives you a massive amount of control without ever needing a USB cable. In the Files section, you can browse your internal storage, SD card, and USB drives to seamlessly upload, download, rename, or delete files. Through the Media tab, you can view your photos and stream your videos and audio directly in the browser. You can also view, search, and manage your contacts, or hop into the SMS and call section to quietly read your messages, check call logs, and even send SMS texts right from your desktop keyboard. You can easily browse your installed apps and export them as APK backups. The dashboard even mirrors your phone notifications in real time, so you never miss an alert. There's also an amazing screen mirroring feature that live streams your phone display to the browser, complete with audio and remote control support. Finally, the device info panel lets you check battery, storage, and system details. PlainApp is also incredibly capable as a standalone Android application. Beyond being a powerful local server, the app itself features a beautiful Markdown notes editor, a distraction-free RSS reader for following your favorite websites, and a full media player with playlist support. It also includes a TV Cast feature to stream your local media to any DLNA or Chromecast-compatible screen, secure peer-to-peer chat and file sharing directly between devices, a built-in Pomodoro timer to help you focus, and a real-time ambient sound meter. This is a completely free, ad-free, and highly secure tool that respects your privacy. If you want a zero-cloud solution for managing your phone, you should definitely try PlainApp. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.